Ulitin ko tong kantan to. Gustong gusto ko to eh. I will repeat again.
Hello,
Repeat,
Idol.
repeat. Again, again, and repeat.
Nakakanta yung request mo. As I write this letter, my heart's beating much too fast for my pain. Soon I'll be in your arms again.
To think I'll be with you, to taste all those sweet, sweet kisses once more. Darling, that's what I'm longing for.
Wow, ang galing.
But most of all,
I just wanna hear that wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart.
it's been so long since I hear that sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love. Why ever did we part? I need reassuring. Those thoughts have been storing up my mind. When I get home, what I will find. Late your lyrics.
Will you still remember? And you will your love be tender and strong. I've been away from you so long.
So